Removing the background from an image can be a difficult and time-consuming task, especially if you're not a graphic designer and don't know how professionals do it. Having images with transparent backgrounds is extremely useful for a variety of personal and professional purposes. With today's technology, removing the background from an image is simple and straightforward. In this video, we bring you some of the best background removing tools used by almost every industry. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Remove.ai. Remove.ai is a free solution for removing specific elements from your image and creating a transparent background. It only takes 3 seconds to process the image and return a transparent version. The free version produces images with a resolution of 0.25 megapixels. To obtain the highest resolution results, you must purchase credits, which are not expensive at all. You can either do one image at a time or download their Windows software to remove backgrounds in bulk. You can also use their API to speed things up as an added bonus. Some of the other features of Remove.ai are: 1. This tool is definitely 10 times faster than editing a complex photo manually. 2. You can integrate their API with other software like Photoshop to speed up your workflow. 3. You can use it to create layouts for your media and publication. Number 2. Canva. Canva is a well-known, simple-to-use tool, particularly for those who lack design skills. It simplifies things significantly with built-in tools and elements that you can simply drag and drop to create something visually appealing. Most things are free, but removing background requires a pro account. However, once you join their pro plan, you literally unlock a world of design possibilities that you could never have imagined before. Some of the other features of Canva are: 1. You can fix dark, blurry, and oversaturated photos using their free photo enhancer tool. 2. Convert files to PDFs without altering the content or compromising quality. 3. Jot down your ideas in custom sticky notes online that your teammates can easily see and work off. Number 3. Slazzer. Slazzer allows you to instantly remove and replace the background of your images. It accepts JPG, PNG, and JPEG file formats and allows you to upload any image, even if it's quite complex. Their AI computer vision algorithm can distinguish between tricky objects, such as hair and even similar colors, to separate the background. Some of the other features of Slazzer are: 1. Slazzer provides advertisers and brand managers with an easy-to-use platform for their campaigns. 2. Once the background is transparent, you can set any background image or a solid color of choice. 3. It works to perfection on crisp images of humans, automobiles, animals, and products. Number 4. Remove.bg. Remove.bg, the most popular option, does an excellent job of instantly removing the background from the image you provide. Creating a transparent background version of your image takes less than 5 seconds. You can use this tool to remove the background from images that contain people, animals, objects, cars, and even graphics. All you have to do is upload your image, and the tool will do the rest. After the results are generated, you can either download them or do some minor touch-ups to make them perfect, which is usually not necessary. Some of the other features of Remove.bg are: 1. It will remove the background of any photo in 5 seconds. 2. It supports batch processing, so if you need bulk image editing capabilities. 3. It also comes with API integration, making it easy for companies to integrate Remove.bg into their own systems. Number 5. Cutout.pro. Cutout.pro is a visual artificial intelligence platform that can be used by individuals, businesses, and developers. They have a background remover, photo retouch, photo colorizer, photo enhancer, cheerful video, and other tools. It has a batch background removal app, but you can also use it on the web. Some of the other features of Cutout.pro. 1. It has a straightforward UI interface. 2. All the tools are AI-based. 3. It has a plugin for Shopify store owners. Number 6. Remove.bg Remover. Remove.bg Remover is an easy-to-use and professional photo background eraser that is powered by a smart algorithm. It supports both automatic and manual photo background removal, allowing you to easily remove unwanted areas while preserving desired areas. It can precisely remove background from transparent objects, in addition to hair and fur. Some of the other features of Remove.bg Remover. 1. You can change the photo background to any solid color or photo. 2. You erase the background from an image and isolate the object to a transparent background. 3. You can change the photo background to any solid color or photo. Number 7. Wondershare PixCut. You're on the right track with Wondershare PixCut, an excellent online background remover. All you have to do is upload your image and let PixCut do the rest. It could automatically select the object and convert the image background to transparent with perfect edges. Meanwhile, PixCut has excellent features for removing unwanted objects from images and enlarging images without sacrificing quality. Some of the other features of Wondershare PixCut. 1. The ability to easily remove watermark from images is another one of its features that makes the tool really competitive. 2. This tool offers a simple image enlargement feature wherein you can enlarge your uploaded image by 4 times without any noticeable loss in quality. 3. If you run an online store in Shopify, then you might benefit immensely from PixCut's Shopify exclusive plugin. Number 8. Paint 3D. The ability to give an image a transparent background is a very useful feature of Paint 3D. Simply select an object and cut it from an image to create a translucent or transparent background. Select the Magic Selection tool and Paint 3D will begin to guide you through the process. Some of the other features of Paint 3D are 1. Lots of art tools, a marker, calligraphy pen, all brush, watercolor brush, pencil, eraser, crayon, pixel pen, spray can, and fill tool. 2. Basic models are included which you can import directly onto the canvas, like a man, woman, dog, cat, and fish. 3. Colors can be sampled from the eyedropper tool for easy selection based on existing colors on the canvas, and you can also pick manually by entering the color's hex value. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.